Welcome to another episode in this series. So we'll be looking at the text tool in this episode, which is T with a shortcut for T obviously, and has the symbol T. So we'll just click the first tool on the list, which is the normal text tool. You can increase and reduce the sizes, point size, change colors. You can also play around with different features to make it artistic, make it look beautiful for whatever project you have. You can choose from this variety, and there are also options to actually adjust it to your preference, how you would like it. So text tool, we can also decide to make the shapes edges of the text. You can adjust it, you can pick the type and a different load of other fonts. You can pick the font you would like to use, and here you can also select the fonts, pick the type, and here you can make it completely caps, italic, uppercase, lowercase, underlined, rolling between, variety of options which you can play with for whatever you want. So that's that. So the next tool is the vertical type tool. As it says, it types vertically automatically, so you don't have to type a text, type a letter, press enter, type another. So if you want to have a vertically typed text, you can just use this tool and it will give you that instantly. No need of wasting time typing and stuff like that. Even the paragraph is also in that form as long as you are using that tool. Then the next is the vertical type max. Now this is actually kind of different because, as you know by the name max, it actually creates a highlight over using the font or text of what you've typed. It highlights it, so you can decide to maybe create another object of some sort with that, however you would like. So you can't necessarily highlight it like you do with other text. It just types directly, so you have to go back. If you've made an error, you have to cancel, go back and recreate it over again. So I'm going to unlock this layer because I can't do anything since it's locked. So I'll unlock it, and now Ctrl D, and as you can see, another layer has been created with that shape, and boom, it has highlighted it and cropped that layer, that part of the image out. So the last is the horizontal type tool, which is basically the same thing as the last tool. This is just horizontally, the other is vertical. That's all. It is practically the same thing. There's no special, it's the same thing, just different directions which you can pick and